World Modern Agriculture Technology. Modern agricultural technology is changing the farming scene by facilitating increased food production productivity, sustainability, and efficiency. In order to supply the growing need for food while reducing environmental damage, creative solutions are crucial as the world's population continues to climb and climate change presents new problems. This summary focuses on 7 major technologies that are now revolutionizing agriculture and opening the door to a more sustainable and resilient future. Number 7. Precision agriculture. Precision farming is a cutting-edge method that combines cutting-edge technologies with best farming practices to ensure optimum productivity and sustainability. Fundamentally, precision agriculture uses technologies such as remote sensing, geographic information systems (GIS), and the global positioning system (GPS) to collect and process data about the agricultural landscape. Farmers can monitor insect infestations, determine nutrient-deficient areas, and evaluate crop health using satellite photography. For example, differences in plant health that are not visible to the human eye can be found using multispectral and hyperspectral imaging, which enables early intervention. Farmers may administer water, fertilizer, and pesticides with extreme precision by using variable rate technology (VRT), which allows them to customize applications to particular fields based on real-time data. By lowering runoff and chemical use, this decreases environmental effect in addition to lowering input costs. Moreover, soil sensors that offer information on moisture and nutrient content are frequently included into precision agriculture, allowing farmers to make well-informed decisions on fertilization and irrigation schedules. Better crop yields, better resource conservation, and a more sustainable agricultural ecosystem are the outcomes of this data-driven strategy. Number 6. Industrial automation. The use of industrial automation in agriculture has significantly improved farming practices. Through the integration of advanced machinery and robotics into many agricultural chores, farmers can achieve cost savings on labor and increase output. Automation capabilities are becoming more and more common in agricultural equipment nowadays, enabling precise management over tasks like planting, harvesting, and crop upkeep. For instance, autonomous tractors may carry out operations like tilling and sowing without the need for human assistance by navigating fields using GPS and onboard sensors. This permits longer working hours than the conventional daylight bounds and guarantees consistent operation under ideal circumstances. Furthermore, it is possible to configure automated systems to apply pesticides or fertilizers in accordance with predetermined guidelines, reducing the possibility of over-application and environmental pollution. As trained labor becomes more difficult to find, automation is especially helpful in mitigating labor shortages in agriculture. These technologies allow farms to sustain productivity levels even in situations where human resources are scarce. Automation also improves the ability to collect data throughout operations. Sensors-equipped equipment can collect important data on crop performance and soil health, giving farmers insights that guide their future planting selections. We may anticipate even more developments in industrial automation as technology progresses, which will further optimize agricultural procedures. Number 5. Automated irrigation systems. In light of the fact that climate change is making water scarcer in many parts of the world, automated irrigation systems are essential for maximizing water use in agriculture. These systems distribute precise amounts of water directly to crops based on their unique demands by combining sensors, weather data, and intelligent controls. An essential component of this procedure are soil moisture sensors, which gauge the soil's moisture content at different depths and transmit the data to a central control system, which then decides when irrigation is required. For example, the system automatically initiates irrigation of the impacted regions without human intervention if soil moisture levels fall below a predefined threshold because of dry circumstances or high temperatures. When compared to standard sprinkler systems, which frequently waste a large amount of water, technologies like drip irrigation minimize evaporation losses by delivering water to the root zone of plants slowly and directly. Furthermore, evapotranspiration rates and real-time weather forecasts can be used by smart irrigation controllers to modify watering schedules, ensuring that crops get the ideal amount of hydration during their growth cycle while using less water. Farmers may increase crop yields and support sustainable water management techniques that benefit entire ecosystems by increasing water efficiency using automated irrigation systems. Number 4. Artificial intelligence. Using data analysis and predictive modeling, artificial intelligence is being used more and more in agriculture to improve decision-making procedures and maximize farming operations. In order to give farmers useful information, artificial intelligence ag technology can evaluate enormous data sets from a variety of sources, including satellite imagery, weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop performance measures. For example, machine learning systems may effectively estimate crop performance in the future by identifying trends in historical yield data and current environmental circumstances. With the use of this predictive power, farmers are able to plan planting dates, apply crop rotation strategies, and distribute resources according to what works best for their specific circumstance. Furthermore, artificial intelligence AI is being used to build tools for pest identification. Drones with AI capabilities may scan fields for indications of disease or pest infestations by analyzing photos taken while in flight, enabling farmers to take swift action before infestations spread widely throughout their fields. Additionally, by forecasting market demand using past sales data, AI can help optimize supply chain logistics. This allows farmers to plan their production schedules more effectively while reducing waste from overproduction or spoilage during transportation. Farmers can maximize yields while adopting more efficient methods by automating these operations and receiving real-time feedback using advanced analytics powered by AI technologies like deep learning or neural networks. Farmers also receive useful insights from these procedures. Number 3. Agricultural robotics. At the forefront of contemporary farming innovation is agricultural robotics, which offers solutions to automate labor-intensive jobs that are usually completed by people while boosting productivity across a range of agricultural operations. These robots can travel fields on their own and carry out intricate tasks like planting seeds, weeding crops, and harvesting produce with amazing precision because of their sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence skills. In order to maintain quality standards for fresh produce markets where appearance matters greatly, robotic harvesters equipped with computer vision technology, for instance, can identify ripe fruits or vegetables based on color and size criteria before gently picking them without causing damage. By ensuring that produce is harvested at its peak ripeness rather than being left on the vine for too long or picked too early due to labor constraints during peak seasons when demand surges unexpectedly high across multiple farms simultaneously competing for limited human resources available locally within the region's labor markets, this level of precision not only increases operational efficiency, but also reduces food waste. As machine learning algorithms and sensor technologies continue to advance agricultural robotics, the possibility for increasingly more advanced machines that can manage a wider range of tasks across diverse crop types and relieve labor shortages that many farms are currently facing exists. Number 2. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is revolutionizing agriculture by connecting devices that collect and share data across various farming operations in real time, enabling farmers to monitor their fields remotely while making informed decisions based on accurate information gathered from multiple sources simultaneously. AI sensors deployed throughout fields can monitor critical parameters such as soil moisture levels using capacitive or resistive sensors, temperature fluctuations using thermocouples, humidity levels using hygrometers, air quality indicators using particulate matter detectors, even crop health indicators like chlorophyll content measured via spectral reflectance techniques. This wealth of data allows farmers not only gain insights into their crop's health, but also make timely interventions regarding irrigation schedules, fertilization, timing, pest management strategies tailored specifically according each crop's unique needs at any given moment. For example, when soil moisture falls below a certain threshold, IoT-enabled devices can send alerts indicating drought stress that needs to be addressed immediately. Similarly, pest detection systems that use image recognition algorithms integrated into drones could alert farmers about possible outbreaks before they become larger problems that threaten entire harvests. Additionally, IoT technology makes predictive maintenance for agricultural equipment possible. Sensors continuously track metrics related to machinery performance like engine temperature and vibration levels, warning farmers about possible problems before they result in expensive breakdowns and repairs that have a detrimental impact on productivity at crucial times when prompt interventions are crucial. Farmers that integrate the Internet of Things IoT into their operations can receive unprecedented insight into the state of their fields, which can lead to more intelligent farming practices and improved production while using less resources overall. Number 1. Biotechnology. In order to effectively address concerns linked to food security, sustainability, and climate change resilience, scientists can create genetically modified organisms with improved features that are customized for certain environmental problems or market demands thanks to the potent tool known as biotechnology in modern agriculture. Researchers build crops with traits like insect resistance, disease tolerance, drought tolerance, and resistance to pests and diseases using methods like genetic engineering and molecular breeding, which increases the crop's overall resilience against the current global climatic variability. For example, compared to conventional kinds produced under identical conditions, genetically engineered Bt cotton greatly increases yields because it contains a gene from the Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria that produces a protein that is deadly to some pests but safe for people. Furthermore, the application of biotechnology enables the development of crops with enhanced critical nutrients, such as golden rice loaded with beta-carotene, to solve the global malnutrition crisis and its vulnerable populations. Although biotechnology has generated discussions about the safety and ethical implications of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, in food production systems worldwide, its potential to improve agricultural sustainability cannot be disregarded as we work to address future food security issues in the face of increasing population pressure. Additionally, the capacity to modify genetic features creates opportunities for novel research, better crop nutritional profiles, and the development of cultivars with improved climate adaptation, which supports farmers in maintaining the sustainability of agricultural operations over the long term. All of these developments point to a major shift in agricultural practices toward ones that are more sustainable and effective at meeting present and future food supply demands. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.